Who doesn't love a quick, flavorful dinner that doesn't require much cleanup? I sure love that, because this honey barbecue shrimp and veggie sheet pan dinner I'm going to share with you is exactly that. First, you're going to make the marinade. Mix together some honey, Japanese barbecue sauce, or whatever type of barbecue sauce marinade you have, some ginger, olive oil, fresh squeezed lemon juice, and garlic. You want to mix that all together very thoroughly and then coat raw deveined shrimp with a shell off in it. You can leave the tails on or take them off as you'd like. Marinate the shrimp in the fridge for at least 10 minutes up to a few hours. This is a good time to set the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and get started on prepping your veggies. So in a bowl, combine broccoli florets, some diced onion, pepper, olive oil, salt, pepper, and garlic. That's all going to really nicely flavor up those veggies. Toss them to coat them, and then spread them evenly in a layer on the parchment paper baking sheet. And this is going to bake before the shrimp bakes for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the baking sheet from the oven, push the veggies to a side, and add the marinated shrimp in a single layer. Use tongs to do this because you want to avoid excess marinade getting in the mixture. And then you're going to pop this back into the oven and bake for another 10 to 12 minutes until the shrimp are cooked through, which means they'll reach an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. They'll also be pink and opaque when they're ready. Make this a super simple meal by serving the shrimp and veggies over a bed of rice. Think about one cooked cup of rice per serving, and sprinkle it with some sesame seeds for a final touch to enjoy. You can print out all the recipe steps at SipBiteGo, and I'll see you next time with another easy meal.